Hey everybody, it's Dennis here with Advanced Trucking. I know it's been a while since we've done a video, but I wanted to go over some market conditions. I know trucking's been a little bit tough lately on the spot market, but we've noticed a little bit of an uptick here. There are some hot areas, and I just wanted to kind of go over a few of those areas with you to show you where you can make some money. If you would, hit our subscribe button there. Follow our videos. We do videos time and time again. I am not sponsored by DAT. I have no affiliation with them. I'm just trying to help you folks out, and hopefully you can make a little bit more money out there right now. With diesel prices the way they are, it's been a little bit rough, but I think if you stay in the right lanes, the right markets, you can still make some money here. So yesterday, we are a dry van carrier located in Indianapolis, Indiana. Our drivers are self-dispatch and they book their own freight. So we just want to kind of help you drivers out here. We had a new driver start the other day, and he's done well since Tuesday, just booking and staying pretty local around the Midwest. So let's just look at a couple markets. Indianapolis is really good, but today it's kind of softened a little bit. But on here, on this, the program I'm using is DAT Power. And it is probably best on a desktop version or a laptop, not on a mobile device. But this right here is yesterday's market conditions. And as you can see, the red areas here are the hot areas where the truck to load ratios are the best or in your favor. So, and this was yesterday. Indianapolis was not as good today, but I was just going to show you a couple different areas here today that are looking pretty good. So it is toward the end of the day now, but it might help you if you're booking for tomorrow morning. Some of these loads may sit and then be back on the board in the morning. So let's look at Wichita, Kansas here. We are going to do a load search. As you can see over here, there are 88 loads that are within 100 miles of Wichita, Kansas. And again, that is for today's date. You can see here, I always try to tell the drivers to do a shorter trip as you can for the most amount of money. So many people want to do miles, but that's not really the most efficient way and best way to make money. So we're going to come in here and look for shorter loads, staying in the Midwest, that are paying well. I noticed the Snyder one here was 245 miles. It was $1,400, and they've got the rate posted here. So it really that one looks like to be a pretty decent load. And again, just try and stay in the Midwest the most you can. As you can see, some of the posted rates here. I always tell the drivers, look here and see what the averages are averaging to get an idea of what you should ask for. Again, this one average is $868, but it's posted for $1,400. Well, that's telling me that it's a hot market and they are trying to move that load. So you could probably actually get more than the $1,400 on the posted rate. Just got to negotiate. So it gives you a little idea. We've got 88 loads posted. Again, it's 4 p.m. It's not the best time of the day. We're going to go over here and we're going to search trucks. And just so that I could see, so we've only got 4 trucks that are posted in that area with the same distance. So that gives you kind of an indication that that market is probably going to be good. Now you'll get the naysayers that say truck to load ratio means nothing. I couldn't disagree more. I do feel that truck to load ratio means a lot. So if I'm negotiating, I'm going to look to see how many trucks are in that area versus how many loads are posted, and that's going to help me negotiate better. So we're going to go in here and search loads in another market that I think is doing pretty good, which is Columbus, Ohio. We've got 369 loads posted right now. As you can see, a lot of the rates are on here. Let's look at some of the shorter trips. We've got this one right here that's $800 at 77 miles. Average is 507. What's that telling me? It's telling me they need to move some loads. and that's on there. Now, we don't have a whole lot of details here. You need to call a broker and get the details. There could be 5 stops on there. You don't know. But that's one of the things you want to call the broker here, Online Transportation, and discuss with them the details on the load. As we move down here even more, we've got other loads. This one is a drop trailer, which is not really that great. It just depends on the situation. But anyway, that's a 92-mile load, and it's $600. So again, depending on what the drop trailer at the delivery means, if they're going to hold it for a long time, or if you just drop it and go back a few hours later, it all depends. So anyway, showing you here Columbus to Greensburg, Indiana. This is kind of nice. It's an all-night, it's at night run, load at 11 p.m., run direct, and then 24-hour receiver. So $1,400. That was a pretty good load there too. Scroll down here for you long haulers that just feel like you gotta have all these miles. We've got some going from Lima to Phoenix for $5,700. Now that right here, there isn't a checkbox with the factoring. This could be a little bit of maybe a newer brokerage or something like that. I don't know. But JB Hunt, Portland, $5,400. Let's see what else we got going on here. Washington. Well, let's look. We got 369 exact matches. We're going to go up here. We're going to search trucks. And new truck search, van, Columbus, Ohio. And same mileage, 100. Let's see how many trucks are posted here. All right, so we got 105 exact matches. So for companies that have trucks posted within 100 miles. So we've got 100 to, how many loads did we have? 363. Again, that's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Probably not the best time, but I just want to do a quick video to kind of give you an idea. Let's look at Indianapolis here. We've got 255 exact matches within 100 miles of Indianapolis. Again, I like to do the short ones, look at the short ones and see what they're paying here. Not the greatest. Now, we did see some yesterday that were paying $1,000 for 100 or so miles. So I guess we're a day late and $1 short and into here. So, but just to give you kind of idea what's going on around here. That's from Wabash to Glasgow, Kentucky. Let's go to, let's see how many trucks are posted. So we got 254 loads, and let's see how many trucks are posted. We've got 79, 88 posted. So it's not super great. Being in Kansas right now would be probably the best location. But I want to kind of go over, do a quick video on looking at your truck to load ratios, looking at some of the hotter markets right now, and checking out your market maps to kind of better gauge where you want to be and where you want to go. So again, if you have any questions for me, you can always reach out to me directly at dennis@advancedtrucking.net. I'll put my email in the comment section below. Also looking for owner operators. So if you want to come out, run the spot market, try it out. We do pay up to 85% if you got your own truck and trailer. Check us out online at advancedtrucking.net. Again, that's advanced with an ED, trucking.net. And you can apply online right through our website. So again, give me a call, give me an email, subscribe to our channel, and I appreciate your time.